Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Here we are up at the Midwest Woodworking Show. Going to do a quick little walkabout and let everybody see what we've got going on here. And we are starting out here at the Pegasus and Bearwood booth. Get turned around here so you're not reading backwards. Got the saw going on, being demoed. Nice little cuts here. New scroller on the wheel there. Got the beautiful scroll bandsaw. Been doing lots of demos there. Here, the lineup of all the tools here we've got from Gravit USA. A couple of us been doing some play work. Y'all might have seen me cutting the Mustang yesterday. I came back, instead of my palm sander that I would typically use, these little bristles here I used to clean up the backside of that. Got all my fuzzies out. Awesome job without all the worries that you get with doing the palm sander. All the files and rasps and other tools. More for the woodworkers here. We've got all the chisels. Mr. Steven here.
That was
Scotch pads. And our sticky finger grip tape. You might have seen me with some of that on my finger yesterday. It was not a band-aid. It was just grip tape to help hold the pieces.
And it's good for when your fingers get dry and cracked.
Yes, good for when your fingers are dry and cracked in the wintertime. You're not worrying about that extra hurt. A wonderful lineup from the Pegasus blades here. Bulk and gross individual blades. Some of the clock parts. The magnifier. Some of us don't need that yet, but eventually we might. A quick overlook. Couple of vendors over here selling some wood. Picked up a piece there yesterday to finish out the Mustang. That piece is ready, other than some clear coat. Got the Seiko booth. Bear Gore here doing a little cutting on his saw. Here's the Art Factory. All the wonderful stuff they've got going. Just absolutely beautiful work here. Hello, everybody. Say hello to the one of a kind here.
Okay, back to the giveaway. We got for
Mr. Allen from Texas. A couple of more guys here. Hello, everybody. Got some turning going on the mini lathes.
we have some Pegasus blades for you. And then for 0002.
This is the wonderful folks from the Veterans Freedom Center.
Angel pattern book from the Art Factory.
Doing their wonderful thing. Couple of quilts. Our main entry. Visited with this fella here a little bit yesterday with the sand flea. Awesome work. Hello. Doing a little walkabout here, saying hi to everybody. This is. I can hold my camera steady. Thank you for being here today.
For everybody that would like to look at, watch, finish go on, and a pin turn by Walter.
There's some actual carvers here. We're just doing a little live show, showing everybody what's going on. Hand painted signs here. Our main. Quick look at the brag tables.
Professional work, and if at any luck, we'll keep the pin. If you want to see professional work, I'll be right up there after that.
Absolutely beautiful work there. Wooden clocks. That is gorgeous. Take a look here. This is all the pieces being judged today. Gorgeous clocks. Might have seen that in a group or two here on Facebook. Very nice work. Hello, Mr. Tommy. How are things back in Pearville? Mr. Bob Duncan here of Grovitt. Hello, everybody. Judges are walking around doing their pieces as we speak. A little bit of intarsia work. Looks like some kind of owl laying there. Gorgeous, gorgeous materials right here. Maybe the biggest watch I have ever seen. It looked like I rounded the corner here. Didn't get you a good look at the most important piece on this table here. Love the Longhorn. That is a very nice piece also. Yes, sir. Here we are back around to where we started. Workshire grit. A few more tools and carving materials, sandpapers, and here we are back at home. Wood.
I don't know if you can fix it. He double charged me on this.